Pen, talking 232, return right engine failure, due to the bird strike.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir, say again?
Pen, talking 232, when bird strike, lost right engine.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, turn left heading 360.
Turn left heading 360, Cargo King 232. Cargo King 232, request 5,000 feet.
Cargo King 232, do you need 5,000 feet, sir?
Yeah, initially we need 5,000 for now.
Well, why do you need 5,000? Is there an issue?
Yeah, we need 5,000, maintain 5,000. Cargo King 232.
Cargo King 232, available, request 5,000 feet or 6,000 feet. We want to return to KJFK airport because right engine was failed.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, affirmative, climb, maintain 6,000, I'll give you delay vectors.
Okay, 6,000 feet, Cargo King 232.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, when able, state the nature of the condition.
And the Cargo King 232 will climb to 6,000 feet and if available, request dump fuel.
Okay, you need to dump fuel, is confirmed?
Affirmative.
Roger, Cargo King 232 Heavy, fly heading 090.
Fly heading 090, Cargo King 232. We want to contact our dispatch and maybe want contact advise further information later.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, understand, maintain 6,000 heading 090, and I will let you know when you're able to dump fuel. I just need to know the nature of the condition. Why return to JFK?
Because right engine was failure because of bird strike when take off.
Okay, very good. Understand. Cargo King 232 Heavy heading 090. You can expect fuel dump in approximately 10 miles, and just let me know when you are ready to return.
Thank you so much. 6,000 feet, 090. After 10 miles, I can dump the fuel. Cargo King 232.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, when able, state souls on board.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. When you have a minute, state souls on board, number of people on board.
4 people, 4 crew member.
Roger. Okay, and if you have it, fuel in pounds or kilograms, whatever you have, the amount of fuel you have on board.
We have 120 kilotons on board, and we will dump fuel about 60.
Sentinel aircraft, fuel dumping in progress over the Deer Park VOR 6,000 feet by heavy triple step. Cargo King 232 Heavy, current Kennedy altimeter 2978. Would you prefer 22 Lima or 22 Romeo?
Altimeter 2978, and we request runway 22 right for landing. Cargo King 232.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, expect ILS runway 22 right approach, and just advise when you are ready to return.
If available, we still request runway 31 for landing. 31 left, the longer runway.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, stand by. We will work on that.
Thank you, sir.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, change runway. Expect GPS Yankee, runway 31 left approach.
Cargo King 232, understand. GPS 31 left. Cargo King 232.
Affirmative. GPS Yankee 31 left or Zulu, your choice. Expect GPS Yankee 31 left.
GPS Yankee 31 left. Cargo King 232.
Cargo King 232 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower on 123.9.
123.9, Cargo King 232. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.